Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to fix internal support function returned on error, then let's look for the solutions. So there are a couple of solutions for this. The first is to check the Microsoft server status. So we'll do that by opening the browser and we will search for Microsoft server status, and we will click on this link Office 365 server status. As we can see, all are green, everything is up and running, we are all good for them. So that shouldn't be the problem. Now since this is not the problem, the next thing would be is to repair 365 Office 365. So we right click on this, settings, apps, and we look for installed apps. We look for Microsoft Office 365 advanced options, repair, and we reset it, and this should clear the problem. If in the rare case these two options don't work, then we use the new Outlook app. So there's something known as new Outlook, so it should be on the system, but we don't know about this, so we look for Outlook new. There you go, and you click on it, and this error should no longer appear, folks. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.